Hello everyone, let's solve these equations of algebra. We're going to learn how is it a trick to solve this one. So we have the first step here. So step 1, we can do that by group into quadratic factors. So when you look at your quadratic factors, then this is x plus 1, and then you group it to x plus 4. So this is one group. And then the other one is x plus 2, and then x plus 3. So that's equals to 120. Then we can expand the first one. That's x squared plus 5x plus 4. And then another one is x squared plus 5x also, but this is plus 6, 120. Now you can see that this x squared plus 5x, this is also x squared plus 5x. We move to step 2. In step 2, let y equals to x squared plus 5x. So we have y plus 4 and then y plus 6 equals to 120. So then you expand. Then it is y squared plus 6y plus 4y plus 24 equals to 120. And then y squared plus 10y plus 24, 120. Then y squared plus 10y. This is plus 24 minus 120 equals to 0. Then you will get y squared plus 10y minus 96 equals to 0. So you got a step 1, step 2. Now we can move confidently to step 3. So in step 3, here, you have to solve quadratic in y. So y squared plus 10y minus 96 equals to 0. As you can see that this can be factorized into y plus 16 and then y minus 6 equals to 0. Now we can find that y plus 16 equals to 0 or y minus 6 equals to 0. So the first y1, that's negative 16, or the y2 equals to 6. Negative 16 and also 6. Now we can move to the next step. Let me erase this for a while. So we have in step 4, we have y equals to negative 16 and then y2, that's 6. So we have to back substitute it. Back substitute into y equals to x squared plus 5x. Y into x squared plus 5x. Now we move to what exactly before y into x squared plus 5x. So the first one is case 1, that x squared plus 5x equals to 6. You're right. So we are using with that. Now x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. So we can find that x plus 6, x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 6 or x equals to 1. So the one that acceptable here. The same thing with this. And then the case 2, x squared plus 5x negative 16. Let's see which one. So x squared plus 5x plus 16 equals to 0. So for this case, no real solution that we got. So what is the final answer? So the final answer for this is x1 equals to negative 6 or x2 equals to 1. Okay?